Set field shading to always. Easily see cross-references in Word. I have a number of proper cross-references set in my document, but I can only see the grey field shading when I click on the reference when it is selected. I can change this so it always shows field shading without needing to click on it. From the File tab, under Options down the bottom, we go down to Advanced, and then just scroll down just above halfway. Under the Show Document Content section, we have field shading, and the default is when selected, and we'll toggle that and choose Always. Then click OK. Now, all of my field shading is showing grey by default. This doesn't print out for you and it doesn't show in PDF documents, but if you work with a lot of cross-references, it can be a good idea to have this set to always so you can easily see where your references are and help identify if you have missed inserting any. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our Help Me Format YouTube channel to discover more tips and tricks.